While most of you at this time, you all are discrediting Beanie Man, using disparaging remarks, I will tell you that his statement is both scientifically factual and also rooted in superstitious practices. Now, I want to address the real issue because you all are talking about doubles and dogs, but I want to talk about the double-dealing, dishonest, deceitful, deceptive, and disingenuous nature of most of you Trinidadians. Now, most of you coming out, I seen minister coming out with doubles in their hand, eating doubles. Everybody buy a doubles vendor. But allow me to address those double vendors, because the real issue we should be addressing is why people are buying dead water. You all are purchasing the water that they use to bathe the dead. Many of them, not all of them, many of those double vendors are purchasing dead water. Why? It is rooted in some of their spiritual and superstitious practices. They believe that the water possesses mystical powers to bring good fortune. They believe that the dead water is spiritually potent. So they are using it in making their doubles, and they're using it. Some people use it to mop their business places. You all are not going to address the truth. But that's why I stand here, because I am my raw, authentic self at all times. I am not coming here for curry favor of none. I am not going to fan your feathers when I need to pluck those feathers. Those feathers need to be plucked. Stop engaging in these uncanny practices. And yes, also for scientific reason, dogs may not like doubles. Why? Dogs like humans, they have preferences, they have tastes. Dogs typically dislike and are less likely to eat things with strong scents. For example, chili peppers, garlic and ginger, they belong to the allium family, and the compounds can be harmful to the dogs if ingested. So when we are dealing with these things, and strong perfume, strong household cleaner, dogs will avoid that because it can be overpowering, and these pungent odors, they just do not appeal to their sense of smell. So scientifically, we know that most of these doubles making, they will use a lot of onion and garlic and sometimes pepper. So there are scientific reasons why the dogs may not want to eat the doubles, and also superstitious practices, and I want you all to address it. I am the leader of All People's Party, and I will address some of these taboo and some of these unspoken issues that we have that plague our society. You all are rooted in deceit and deception. You all are comfortable to hide behind a lie, and you're on an outrage against Beanie Man as though he committed some sort of sin. The truth is the truth. Many of you doubles vendors are using dead water. Water that they use, the last water that they use to bathe the dead. Do you want me to outline it? Do you want me to highlight the many funeral homes that sell dead water? As a matter of fact, by a certain time, the dead water is sold out. And where there is a demand, there will always be supply, because of some of these spiritual uncanny practices. Let us deal with the demonic issues in this nation that is plaguing us. You all want to sweep it under the carpet. But I, Kizelle Jackson, political leader of All People's Party, I say I'm coming with a new form of leadership. Listen to me. I am not trying to win you with lies and deception. I will unearth it. I thank you this morning. I thank you this morning. Dogs and doubles, let's deal with the dead water.